Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2018 Chevrolet Equinox Premier. Now the exterior color is a Cajun red, and under the hood we have a 2-liter inline-4 engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Now at the front we have our halogen high and low beam headlamps with our projectile lights and our LED daytime running lights. We also have a pair of fog lamps, and over at the side we have our 19-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in hand-cooked tires, as well as we have our chrome mirror caps and chrome red door handles. We also have our privacy tinted windows at the rear, and on top we have our roof rails with our crossbars, as well as our twin panel moonroof, and this Equinox also comes with remote start. At the rear we have our trailer and tow package, which includes our 4 and 7-pin connection as well as a trailer hitch. We also have our dual exhaust, as well as we have Equinox 2-liter T, as well as we have our all-wheel drive and Premier badging. We also have our power liftgate, as well as we have reverse sensors paired to our backup camera. And we also have an embedded defroster in our rear window with a wiper blade attached. At our interior, we have loads of driver-friendly features, including tons of door storage, as well as our liftgate release, as well as memory seating for the driver, as well as power windows with adjustable mirrors, as well as we have our power locks. We also have our blind spot information system. And over at our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp dial, as well as we have our heated steering wheel controls, as well as our cruise control settings with our adaptive cruise and lane keep assist. Over to the right, we have our hands-free and entertainment controls. We also have our auto-dimming rear view mirror up top, as well as we have our automatic lights, as well as we have our twin panel moonroof. And as we look at our interior, we have a beautiful leather seating, which comes with a fully adjustable seat with lumbar support for the driver. As we look ahead, you'll notice we have 45,121 kilometers on our beautiful Equinox. And as we look ahead, we have audio control, phone connectivity, as well as navigation and Onstar command, as well as we have other apps including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And underneath we have our controls for our display, as well as we have our heated or air conditioned seats for both driver and passenger, as well as our dual climate control area, which includes air conditioning and heating throughout the entire cabin. And underneath here we have our USB plug-in, as well as we have our aux line in with a 12-volt adapter. And over at our center console, we have our all-wheel drive or trailer tow button, as well as we have our center console shift lever, which has our select option, as well as we have our electrical parking brake with our dual cup holders, cubby storage, and our center console with loads of storage underneath. At the rear, passengers can enjoy door storage, as well as power windows and more storage in the rear of the driver and passenger seat. And at the back of our center console, we have our dual ventilation, as well as our left and right side heated seat options, as well as we have our dual USB ports with a 12-volt adapter. And with our 60/40 bench seating arrangement, we are left with tons of legroom and loads of headspace to fit 3 passengers in the rear comfortably. If there are any more questions about this beautiful Equinox, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.